Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Pag-IBIG MP2 account. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser, then look for Pag-IBIG Fund. Now you want to click this official link, which is pagibigfund.gov.ph. Then on their website, you have to scroll down a bit, then choose MP2 Savings. On the next page, simply choose Save Now. Now on this page, you'll see there are requirements needed. So what you need to do is you'll have to submit all of these requirements. So we have the number one Pag-IBIG membership ID number, one valid ID, a selfie photo, proof of your income or source of fund, Philippine passport for former natural born Filipino, and certificate of reacquisition retention of Philippine citizenship. And once done reading and you have all the requirements ready, agree to their terms and conditions and click on proceed. On the following pages, you will simply have to submit all of these requirements needed to complete the process. And after that, after you've submitted all the requirements, you can now choose your saving goals. You can decide how often you want to receive your dividends, either annually or compounded over the 5-year term. Then on the last page, you'll review all the details you entered and submit your application. Once successful, you'll get your MP2 account number, which you'll use when making deposits. And basically, that's it. You've successfully opened your Pag-IBIG MP2 account online. Just make sure you have all these requirements ready. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.